as the provisions sa existing law said, bantayan sila. Ilagay sila sa listahan. So that para mabantayan ang DSWD. Ganon ang dapat mangyari. Pero yung heinous crimes na tinitignan, yung mga pumatay with sick intentions, with gruesome undertones. Sometimes bad apples are just that. Bad apples. Kumbaga, hindi natin dapat tinitignan yung age nila as the limiting factor. Lalo na kung heinous crime ang titignan natin. Kasi sa heinous crimes, ang nakikita natin is just 2 of 3 things. Either rape, murder/homicide, or a mix of both. Kaya yung age of consent tapos yung criminal liability, lalo na regarding heinous crimes, is just weird. Kasi hindi naman talaga dapat natin tinitignan yung age nila. Rather, their mental capacity, yung kanilang discernment to understand na something is wrong or something is right. Kaya even yung consent, it can be given from anyone, regardless of age. I guess if you think about it, like maybe in the teenage years, yeah, they can consent, I think. Pero that's not what we are talking about, They can commit crimes and they can permit consent.